Alright guys, this is the 4.5 quart ice cream challenge. This is over a gallon of ice cream, so let's get this. The timer set at 5:07, so 1 hour, and let's rock and roll. Alright, put that in there. I'm not sure if this is even going to fit in this bowl. 4.5 quarts. Empty. Full. This is what happens when you lose weight, guys. You have to eat over a gallon of ice cream to make up for it. Cookies and cream. This one was mint chocolate chip. All right. Butter pecan. Oops, it's leaking already. See if I can fit this in here somehow. Oh. All right, there we go, guys. Let's do this. Oh, didn't show you. Here's empty. All right, let's rock and roll. Oh, so good. Nice and cold. I believe total grams of fat is over actually the amount of fat that's in a gallon of milk. So this is definitely harder, I would say, than a gallon of milk. Besides the fact that it's food, it's not well, it's not 100% liquid. It's frozen liquid right now. Oh, this is so good. Got my backup camera right here. Got my jacket right here because I know I'm gonna get cold. All right. It's chow time. That's it. Done. I'll let this chocolate chips. In pain, guys. Fuck. That is a hard challenge. That's the last bit of it. Pretty much just some chocolate chips. All the ice cream is finished. I'm out, guys. Deuces. I'll be back in an hour. I'll let you know if I puked or not. 4 minutes in. Put a little bit of a dent. $15 minutes in, guys. Killing this. Killing it. Really cold though right now. Really cold. And this runny nose is not helping. Alright. Got my water here just in case. I need to help wash that ice cream down. And yeah, probably gonna chill for 5-10 minutes, then tack this a little bit more when it melts a little bit. Alright. Double deuces from 2 different cameras. Alright guys, so just about a half hour in, and this is all that remains of the 4.5 quarts. Feeling really cold. Really cold. Pretty full, but I should expect that. It is 4.5 quarts of ice cream, and yeah, I got a half hour left, so yeah, do or die, guys. Do or die. And that's all that's left, guys. About almost 40 minutes into the challenge, and all that's left now is the little scoop of cookies and cream, and the other scoop mint chocolate chip. Butter pecan is done. Whew. Alright guys, there's the official time. 15 minutes left of the challenge. That's all it's left. Looks like to be around 2 to 3 servings. I'm gonna let it just sit there and melt as much as it can in the next 10 minutes, and I'm gonna finish it, and then I'll be done. Like I said earlier, I'm really cold right now. Seems to be the biggest problem. I'm pretty full. I'm not super full, but I'm just really cold, and that seems to be slowing me down the most. So like I said, let this warm up and turn to liquid, then I'll be done. Deuces. Alright, there's the time, guys. 6:02 p.m. The soup, a little bit of soup that's left of the ice cream, not much, and I'm gonna pretty much keep the camera rolling at this point. And my technique to finishing this is to pretty much wait till about 6:05. Then I'm just gonna down the whole thing in one sitting, hopefully, and then I'll be done. Still feel really cold. It's the main reason why I haven't really ate any ice cream in the past 10 to 15 minutes. I don't even know how long it's been. But yeah, besides that, stomach feels a little upset, and not too full, but just really cold. And yeah, so I'm just gonna keep the camera rolling from here on out. I got my GoPro up there filming as well. Alright. 6:03 now. Just gonna pretty much sit here until 6:05, and then I'm gonna down that. I've also drank think it was about 24 ounces of water pretty much. But that's actually helped me more than anything to keep me warmer because it was room temperature. And yeah, so I don't know how much weight I have packed down, but it's definitely a lot. And yeah, being sick made this challenge harder, that's for sure. But alright, so 6:04 now, one more minute, and I'm going to have another crack at that. And then hopefully I just finish it in one sitting. Then I'll be done. So I just surf the web for the time being.
Yeah, 6:05 now. I'll start chugging this bad boy. Alright, here we go. I can do this. I got this. This is mine. Alright, here we go. Still so cold. Literally in pain right now. Alright, never die.
By the way, I'm calling out Furious Pete to do this challenge. Anyone else? That's it. Done. I'll also have this chocolate chips. In pain, guys. Fuck. That is a hard challenge. That's the last bit of it. Pretty much just some chocolate chips. All the ice cream is finished. I'm out, guys. Deuces. I'll be back in an hour. I'll let you know if I puked or not. Whew. 6:12, guys. So about 5 minutes post competition challenge, wherever you want to call it. Hell, frozen over challenge. And I took a huge piss. I've been drinking my second bottle of water. Filled it all the way to the top, and I'm already down well below halfway mark, and pretty much I am freezing right now, really cold. But I'm gonna try to hold this ice cream down for an hour, just like the milk challenge, and I'll keep you guys updated. And I'll probably either make a video right after I puke, if I do puke, or like around the hour mark or halfway mark or something. And all right, thanks for watching. Deuces. Alright guys, so it's been exactly 1 hour post since I finished the 4.5 quarts of ice cream, and I held it. Held that shit in, brah. So victory is mine. Feeling pretty good, and I think this squat rack is calling my name in about an hour after I take a nap. So there's a challenge, guys. 4.5 quarts of ice cream in 1 hour. Yeah, so I might as well make some rules right now. The rules are, you can't heat up the ice cream. You gotta pretty much, it's gotta be solid when you start eating it. After that, you can, you know, chop it up, spin it up, whatever you want to do. You can eat food with it. You can drink water with it, like I did. And you can't puke, and you got to keep the camera on you at all times, just like I did. And you cannot use the bathroom, and that's about it. So good luck, guys, and as always, thanks for watching. Deuces. Oh yeah. And if you guys have some like little chips left in there, don't worry about that. That's not a big deal. I'm not going to be too butthurt if there's a few pieces of mint chocolate left. And yeah, deuces.